Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you if you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F104. So what is this error and how can we get rid of it? So the F104 error is that the machine is not getting enough electricity to drive the motor, and it will give you this error. So one thing that you can do to try to fix this is make sure if there's something internally going on with the machine, it's probably going to need to dealt with it from a technician. But what you can do is make sure externally it's getting enough power. And there's a couple things that could be preventing proper electricity from flowing to the machine. One thing is a very unlikely situation, but it is possible, and that is that you bought the machine in one country and you're trying to use it in another country, and so the electric protocol in the country that you're in now is not lining up with what the machine thinks it needs. But another thing that could be happening is you may have it plugged in via an extension cord, and that extension cord is not able to carry enough juice basically to run the machine. And similarly, you might have this on a shared circuit with something else that is sucking energy off that circuit and preventing this from getting a stable flow of electricity in order to run properly. So if you've checked that there's nothing else on the circuit, if you've checked the extension cord, at this point you can just do a hard restart on the machine, which is to turn it off, disconnect it from power completely for a full minute, either unplug it at the wall or turn it off at the circuit, turn it back on, and see if that error doesn't clear out. If none of that works, unfortunately you're going to have to call somebody to come fix it. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.